You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. A name of French origin. In French, for reference, the pronunciation is Chantel. Chantel. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced correctly, stay tuned. This is why in English it's usually pronounced as Chantal. Some may pronounce it also a bit as Chantal, but generally not Chantel, or okay. It's a sh sound, not a ch. Chantel. Chantel. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments if it's any different, or is it how you pronounce it? Let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.